Environmental impact of chemical factories.
Chemical factories can have a major impact on the environment, changing the quality of air, water, and soil. These plants often emit pollutants such as gases, heavy metals, and chemical waste, which contaminate the surrounding ecosystem and harm animal and human health. Chemical factories pollute air, water, and soil. Air pollution is caused by the release of gases into the atmosphere, such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and volatile organic. Environmental regulations are essential to minimize the negative impacts of the chemical industry on the environment and human health. These regulations aim to reduce the release of pollutants. In conclusion, chemical factories have a huge environmental impact, causing various types of pollution that damage ecosystems and human health. Improper emissions and waste disposal can pollute air, water, and soil, leading to long-term consequences such as respiratory diseases, contaminated water supplies, and damaged soil. Thank you.